The 2015 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.